Good morning, I hope you all are doing great. I myself have been doing better before, but unfortunately, I got sick a few days ago. I've been feeling very under the weather lately. So today I thought I'd show you guys something I'm gonna be making to help alleviate some of these symptoms and should help for a lot of you. I know it's flu season right now, so this should help you if you have a cold, if you have any flu-like symptoms, congested nose, you have a cough, sore throat, anything like that. This should definitely help you feel a little better. So it's a recipe that was passed down to me while I was in Bali last year, and hopefully it works like a charm like it did last time. So let's get right into it. It's a very simple recipe, only calls for 4 ingredients, and you should probably have some of these things lying around at home. First and foremost, we're gonna need some hot water, of course. Second, we're gonna need some freshly peeled and washed ginger. You're only gonna need about 1 inch of it, but since I'm gonna be making several teas, I have a little bit more than that. And you're gonna need at least about a full lemon. And last but not least, some honey. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our ginger, our freshly peeled and washed ginger, and we're gonna slice it as thin as we possibly can, about 1 inch worth. So we want them as thin as possible because we want to try to maximize the surface area of the ginger. That way we can extract as much flavor as we possibly can. So once we finish, we're gonna take that ginger and we're gonna put it into our glass. We're gonna take our boiling water and we're gonna pour it in. We wanna make sure that we put it up to a rolling boil, not just hot. We wanna make sure that it was as hot as possible. And we're gonna let that sit for about 5 to 10 minutes to soak in as much of the ginger flavor as possible. It's very important that we don't take the honey and pour it right into the glass while it's still very hot, because pouring honey into hot water or any other hot substance actually brings out a lot of toxic nature of the honey itself and almost turns it into a glue-like consistency. So now that we've let it sit and cool for just about 10 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and put the honey into the tea and we're gonna mix it in there. So the very last step is just going to be to add some lemon. Now you can put as much or as little as you'd like, but I'm only gonna put half a lemon in there. It's basically just for taste and to add a little bit of vitamin C into the tea. But at this point, your tea is done and ready to drink. All right guys, so that is basically it. Like I said, a very simple recipe, only 4 ingredients, and you have your ginger lemon honey tea. So give it a try, let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next one.